In order to complete this, you do need your W10 student data files downloaded. These are the Windows 10 files that are in the Lesson 2 block. And then you're going to select your drive volume where you extracted that folder to. And then in your search box, you're going to key in what you are looking for. Now in your assignment, they want you to key in my search. However, I'm going to key in something a little different because you are supposed to be practicing this on your own. So instead of keying in my search, I'm just going to look for files that end in txt. And apparently there are a lot of them. So let me limit here. I'm going to select my data files here. Try that again. So what you're going to be doing is selecting the data files, but you're going to be keying in my search, all one word. Okay. Then it's asking you to select particular files. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click. I'm just going to select these little security files here. So I'm going to click, and then I'm going to control and click to select them. Okay, the files that they want you to pick begin with my search. In fact, I can see them here. So you're going to select the files that they're asking you to select, and then you're going to copy. So you can press Control and C. You can go into Home and hit copy here. You can right click and copy, but you do need to copy the files. So then it wants you to put them in the document folder. So I'm going to put it in documents under OneDrive because I don't have as much in that folder. On your system, you will probably put it under documents that are located below your username. Okay, so I'm going to put mine up here. Wrong one. You can see why I didn't want to put them in there. There. And what they want you to do is paste them over here. So you can press Control V, you can hit paste, okay, but you do need to get the files into the document folder. And once you have done that, okay, then they want us to display the file name extensions, which I already have, but if you do not have them, you are going to need to go into View and turn this on. And that's the text that follows the period as the extension. Okay, now once you have the files and the extension, this is where you need to do the screenshot. So you can press the print screen key, okay. If you have a laptop, you probably are going to have to press FN, push that down, keep it pressed down, and press print screen at the same time. Okay? Or you can use the snipping tool, which actually works pretty good. So if I click on this, hopefully, I should be able to do a little search on snipping. Of course, it's coming up on my other screen. But I'm keying in the word snipping, and I can see Snipping Tool at the top, so I'm going to click on it. That launches this, and then I'm going to click on New. And you'll see how there's like a white haze over everything. I'm just going to drag a box over this portion, because this is the part that you need to turn in. Okay, so I can see the document folder, and I can see that you did, in fact, put those files into the folder. So then you're going to go to Edit and Copy. Then you're going to launch Microsoft Word. Oh, now it works. And we'll do a blank document. You're just going to paste. This is what you need to turn in. Okay, and there's specific instructions regarding what you're supposed to save it as. We're going to call it Windows. So go to File and Save As. And let's pick a location first. that is my very busy document folder. So I think I'm going to put it up here. And then for the name, it's just Windows Chapter 2, App 1. So what you guys are going to do is very similar to what I just did, but instead of looking for files that end in text, you're going to look for files that have my search in them. Then you're going to copy 3 files just like I did. You're going to paste it in the document folder, and you are going to do the screenshot and get that screenshot into Microsoft Word and save it. Once you have done that, you can upload the file to the Moodle Dropbox.